VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. And if you need to implement one, it is because you are attempting to encrypt data between two network nodes. There are a number of ways to go about this, including different technologies like IPsec, which can be used for data encryption. You can implement site-to-site VPNs. You can implement point-to-site VPNs. And you can implement point-to-point VPNs. And we'll talk about all of these in just a moment. Even though IPsec is one of the most commonly implemented VPN technologies, that doesn't mean it's the only technology. There's L2TP, which uses IPsec over layer 2. There's SSTP, which is implemented from Windows servers. You have OpenVPN, which is third-party, open source, but not as highly performing as other options. You've got IKE-v2, so that stands for Key Exchange. This is really fast and current and is used alongside IPsec. And finally, we have an older one called PPTP, Point-to-Point Protocol. This is deprecated. If you see this in use in any sort of real-world scenario, it's worth recommending that it get upgraded. When implementing VPN using IPsec, you have a choice. You can choose to implement the data parts of the packet, or you can include the entire packet as far as encryption is concerned. However, as you encrypt more and more of the data, you are going to affect both your throughput and your latency because it's going to take processing power to perform the encryption and the decryption. Different implementation patterns include a site-to-site VPN. This is where you have different data centers or networks, and one side is going to initiate the VPN tunnel. The other side will terminate the VPN tunnel. Now, in order to keep this tunnel up persistently, it might require keep-alive packets to be sent across the tunnel. Another implementation pattern is point-to-site VPN. Sometimes this is used for remote employees. It's temporary connectivity from an individual host to a network. And finally, we have the idea of point-to-point VPN, where it is a single node connecting to a single node where the remote single node provides connection to the network beyond that.